I'm not here to play politics with words. I'm a Yale-educated neurobiologist. I'm a Penn-trained neurologist. That said, you are free to disagree with me. But my role isn't to sugarcoat reality. It's to empower parents. Because the better you understand what's happening in your kid's brain, the better equipped you are to support them. A disorder, by definition, is any condition that disrupts normal function. When we talk about autism, ADHD, and other neurodevelopmental disorders, we're talking about measurable biological differences in how brains are developing and connecting. In autism, there's hyperconnectivity in some areas and underconnectivity in others. In ADHD, there's reduced activity in the prefrontal cortex. In both disorders, there's dopamine dysregulation. And as parents, understanding is what helps us move forward. Now let's briefly talk about how these disorders originate. If you're a parent who's sitting there wondering, did I do something wrong? Was this about a choice that I made? Let me stop you right there. Your child's autism or ADHD, it was probably generations in the making. Increased oxidative stress in your parents and your parents' parents. That led to DNA changes that have been passed down. Choices made decades ago, nutritionally, environmentally. Those choices shape the DNA that we see today. And yes, chronic inflammation in pregnant mothers can directly impact fetal brain development and gene expression, but that's only part of this story. There was no single choice you made that caused your kid's autism or ADHD, but there are choices that you can make now that can shape their future. And those choices, they come down to the 4 pillars of brain health: exercise, nutrition, sleep, and chronic stress. The choices we make today, physically, nutritionally, environmentally, matter. Not because your child needs to be fixed, but because every child deserves the chance to thrive in their body, with their brain, to their highest potential.